Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Scentsy Whiff Box for the month of December. I skipped last month because I saw like a sneak peek or maybe a consultant's unboxing, and they had a huge thing of bath soak. And I just do so many bath bombs that that's expensive, so it was like a waste to me. So I skipped that month, which I like because you can do that with this subscription. So here is the December box. It says, "Thankful and grateful for you." That's cute. Is that an elf? A buddy clip. Nick the gnome. Very Merry Cranberry. Oh my god, that's so cute. Oh, you just clip them to your... Oh god, the kids are gonna love this. Oh, how cute. I think that's adorable. It's pretty... Oh, now I smell them. So I guess it's in there. I guess you can't change it out. I'm not familiar with these, honestly, but that's exciting because they haven't sent anything like that before. Since I've been subscribed, at least. He's cute. I like him. I should put him in the Christmas tree for decoration. He smells cool. So we got him, and yes, he is scented. Let's see if it says anything on here. Plush toy filled with fragrance beads. Clip to a backpack or place in the small places for a long-lasting fragrance. Wipe with a damp cloth. Doesn't really say anything else on here, but he's adorable, so that's cool. Also have clothesline laundry liquid. I love these samples, so I'll definitely use that. Also have a snowberry bar. Not familiar with that scent, so I'm gonna take a whiff. Can't quite place it. It smells good though. I feel like it doesn't necessarily smell like a fall or a winter scent. Arctic Kiss. Now I think they had that one years ago when I was a consultant. Yeah, that has like a cucumber scent to it. It's real refreshing. That one's nice. And then Winter Berry Apple Tea Sugar Scrub. So I think that's the bath soap they sent last month maybe. But I do like the sugar scrub. I've used the one that they sent, what month was that? September maybe? October? It's all gone. It's really, really packed with oils. And it's really moisturizing. Let's see if I can open it. And am I bummed because I don't think they sent me any sample pods. That's my favorite part about this subscription. And I complain about it every month. I wish they would just do a box of the pods. I'd be the happiest girl. Because I like using those instead of the bars, honestly. Look how liquidy this is. See if you could tell. Ooh, it's so liquidy. Ooh, that smells nice. Definitely smells like apple. Ooh, I'm excited for that. And I'm gonna put the lid on because I'm gonna go use it. So yeah, got a few items, couple bars. This guy and the sugar scrub, which is more expensive. But some boxes have more stuff, some have less, just depends, but it's always fun. Nice little surprise. So yeah, if you guys would like to subscribe to the Whiff Box, I'll put the link below from the girl that I order from. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.